What's up guys, my name is Brandon and today we're going to be talking about beards. I wanted to show you guys a couple of the items that I use, and some of them I know that guys probably don't know what they are because I didn't 6, 7, 8 months ago. I didn't know what some of these items were. So today I wanted to show you guys what they were and tell you how to use them and give you a couple pointers on how to make your beard grow thicker and fuller and faster. First pointer that I'm going to give you is, even in the beginning I had this problem, but don't trim or shave your beard. Just let it grow. Just don't mess with it for like 2 months. Maybe just kind of line it up right here a little bit and the neck, but other than that, just suck it up and let it grow. You got to. If you want to get like this, you just gotta let it grow. I had this problem in the beginning. I kept trimming it, I kept shortening it, thinking, oh man, it's never gonna grow the way I want it to. You just gotta let it go. Just let the beard go. No matter how it fills in, where it fills in, just let it grow. I can't say it enough. Just let it grow. Now for some of the products that I use and that you can use to help maintain your beard. Keep it kind of in order. Maybe if you have itching problems, some of these items will help. And a couple other tools to help you keep it shaped up. So the first tool is a beard brush or a beard comb. I use both. I used to really like this one, but I don't know. I feel like it doesn't do anything. But this one, the beard brush, you want something that's, you know, got some kind of like horsehair, kind of coarse and rough, so you can really get in there. So don't go excessive just for hours, because that's not gonna do anything. Just one little brush and you're done. All right, so here we go on to the good stuff. So a company called Cremo, don't know if you've ever heard of them, but you can buy their stuff in Walmart. Cremo, don't know if you can see that. I emailed them and they were kind enough to send me some products, and I used them for a few weeks. And first thing I want to say is it's a great brand. These products are pretty awesome, and they're definitely worth the price to go buy them. And this is by any means a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored video, just a guy who really likes the brand. So first thing, like, here you go, beard balm. Let me get the focus, there we go. Regular beard balm. This stuff here is pretty good. This is pretty much what I prefer to use. You just put a little bit and just put it in your beard, kind of work it in, and it should keep it nice and shaped. And you know those long straggly ones should keep them down for most of the day. You just need a little bit, not a huge half the can. Just a little bit, put it on, use your brush, and you're good to go. Now if you don't like the beard balms, there's a couple other options like this one, the beard and scruff cream. This is more for the guys who probably have a little bit more stubbles, not quite as thick as this beard. But this is this stuff I didn't really like too much, just because of the consistency of it. It's like a lotion. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a lotion, but this stuff was kind of messy to put on, rub it in your hands and put it in your beard. But it kind of worked. It did smooth your skin down a little bit. Some of the stuff you have to use, because if you wash your beard in the shower, it dries your hair out, it dries your skin out, and it's just not really healthy for the beard. So some of this stuff works really good, but if you're into that, have itchy skin or anything like that, this would be pretty good for you. So the next one I know that I've seen a lot, and I've always wondered, how do you use it? And that's beard oil. This stuff is pretty cool too, and it's all right. I would use this more often. But beard oil, basically what you do, you know, comes in a little drop thing like this. So what you do is you just take 2 little drops or 3 and you put them in the palm of your hand and you rub it around, then you rub it in your beard. That's how you use this stuff. This stuff was pretty good too. If I didn't have the beard balm, I probably would have used this. All right, so we covered the balms, the lotions, the oils, the brushes. Got one more. Scissors. You gotta have scissors for those really long ones, and we all get them. You gotta cut the real long ones down, because you want, you know, 3 or 4 long ones sticking out like this, and you're walking around looking like a Viking. like I was in the beginning of the video. That's where the scissors come in. Check this out, guys. See this cool little boomerang looking thing? I don't know how many of you guys have actually seen one of these or used them. If you do use it or you have seen them before, definitely let me know in the comment section. How many of you guys have actually seen one of these and used them? Now when I first saw this, it took me a minute to figure out what it was. But this right here is awesome for your beard. Basically what you do, if you like your beard right here, like mine is, curved like this, then you put it up against the edge of your beard and you just trim it and line it up to the point where you like it. If you like it more like a square, like this, same concept. You just kind of line it up with your sideburn and your beard line, and then same thing. You just make it more square. This thing here is awesome. Great little tool to have. So if you don't have one of these and you have a beard, you should definitely check this out. All right, well that's it, guys. And always keep your beard brushed. And this is the end of the video. And if you guys like my channel, you should definitely hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can always be notified when I put out a new video. And you should also like this video and comment in the comment section below. And I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.